Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. Today I have a super exciting unboxing to share with you. Actually, it's a reveal because I've already unboxed it. And I am excited because not only do I have a beautiful, beautiful Chanel piece to share with you, but I also have another reseller that I'd like to talk about. I think it's really important, especially nowadays when Chanel prices have increased so very much, along with Louis Vuittons and Dior's and all the other fashion houses, to really have some resellers that you can trust and that you can find pieces that are either discontinued or just hard to find. And I think I have found another really wonderful reseller. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Isabel. I hope that you enjoy the video, and if you do, I hope that you will go ahead and click on the subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up. That is so helpful. And usually I do show my face. However, I have had surgery 2 weeks ago and I am not super comfortable yet. So it's going to take me probably another week or so. So for today, we're going to concentrate on this beauty right now. Again, I purchased this piece pre-loved, and I'm going to go ahead and insert the unboxing. It was beautifully wrapped, and it also included some really, really generous gifts that I will go ahead and share with you at the end of the video. Ready? Here we go. This is an item that I have been wanting to get for some time. And it is the beautiful Chanel Gst in the beige caviar with gold hardware. And she is in just beautiful, beautiful condition. As you can see, I haven't even removed the wrapping from the handles. I just took her out of her original box and I wanted to share this with you. But look at the beautiful, beautiful coloring and look at the fantastic shape that this bag is in. All right, here she is in all of her splendor. I've gone ahead and taken all of that bubble wrap from the handles, and as you can see, they are also in really, really pristine shape. So this is the GST, the beautiful pocket in the back, the gold hardware. The inside is also the same color. It's just beautiful. Let's take some of the wrapping out. And as you can see, it is just in really, really beautiful, beautiful condition. This did come full package in the sense that it did bring the little card from the price from Chanel, and it also brought the card, and this is a serial number 19, and here's the authenticity card. So this is a 2014 bag, and again, just in impeccable, impeccable condition. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I have a black GST with silver hardware. And my dream really was a black with gold hardware. And at the time, I really couldn't find one at a good price. So I went ahead and purchased the black and silver one, and I've used it so much for work. So I really wanted to get a beige one for the same purpose. I love these bags for work. They can carry a lot, they're comfortable, and they're just absolutely beautiful. Again, I'm going to go ahead and put the reseller that I used. I'll insert her information here, and also I will go ahead and put it in the description box below. But very, very excited to have found somebody else who is also trustworthy and really has beautiful, beautiful bags. She is based out of South Florida, and this is just, I just love, love, love this bag. I am just so excited. Now, well, Isabel, why are you buying all these bags now? And it's, well, pretty much, I really think that some of the Chanel bags, it's really now or never, because I feel that the prices are just increasing to a point where I don't know if I'm gonna wanna pay more than what they're currently selling for. Now, this one here is one that I've wanted for about 1 year, and I just had not found one in the color with the gold hardware and in this beautiful condition. So it is really in perfect shape. The only thing, if you really want to get really picky about it, it's got a little bit of a pop stitch on the inside right here. And I don't know if you can even see it. It's right over here. But other than that, it is just, there's no marks, there's no scratches, there's no dirt. It's just absolutely beautiful, and I'm very excited. I did pay a little bit more than what I thought I was gonna pay. However, I am the type of person that if the bag is in really great condition and I feel that I have a trusted seller, I'm willing to pay a little bit more because I have that peace of mind and I'm getting a bag in the condition that I want. Now, the other super nice thing about this seller was that not only did she, of course, pack it beautifully, she sent me a card, and I will have shown you that in the unboxing, but she also included a Chanel double mirror, which was so very nice and generous of her. And these are really, really wonderful compact mirrors that you can just keep in your purse, and they're wonderful. She sent me these two very, very cute ponytail holders, which I absolutely love. And she was so absolutely generous. She also included this very, very pretty cosmetic case, and it is just so very, very pretty. So again, customer service, really, really nice, fast delivery, very excited. Thank you so much, Kimberly. I so much appreciate it. And so here she is, my friends, the beautiful Chanel Gst beige with the gold hardware, and there she is so that you can get a little bit of a close-up. It's so very pretty. Go ahead and let me know in the comments below, what do you think about the Chanel pre-love market, and what is your opinion? I know that we had a little bit of a discussion when I unboxed my Chanel Jumbo that I very recently purchased from another fantastic, fantastic reseller that I highly recommend. But let me know what your thoughts are, and have you decided to maybe purchase some items now versus waiting a few months down the road? In the meantime, take care of yourselves, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.